this is Meenakshi Chaudhary and I'm here in Chennai shooting for an amazing shoot for JFW cover. I'm super excited with an amazing team set up today to, turn our look into a reality, and we're doing about 3 looks and I'm super excited for some really artistic, out-of-the-box kind of looks. Oh my god, yes! I do not know how he does it, I'll be practicing in the corner 100 times, just taking retakes, and I'm so scared because I don't want to waste everybody's time, especially Sir's time. He would just come on set, see the steps like the choreographers would teach us, and on the spot, in the first take itself, with that energy, he'd be able to do it, like on spot. So I was so scared because I wanted to match his energy and try and not mess it up so that we don't take a lot of takes. But I think he's truly a gifted and extremely talented and hardworking person. So much to learn from him. Oh my god, he's a gem of a person. I've had the best time working on the sets of Lucky Bhaskar with the cast and the crew. Everybody was it felt like a family coming together and creating something that we really love to do. That character Sumati is one of my most cherished and special characters because of the love that it has got, and honestly I'm very grateful to have Dulquer as a co-actor because I've always looked up to him, and everybody knows of him as a great actor, but he's also a wonderful human being, and I got to experience that firsthand, so it was a wonderful experience.
Careful Meenakshi, don't step on my snakes, huh?
Sunscreen, my phone, my charger, my headphones, and hand cream. Craziest thing I've ever done. I don't think I can share it with you guys, but trust me, I'm a wild kid. You know what? Funnily, I was never really having any doubts about it, but people around me would question me and buzz me in the ear saying that, are you doing the right thing? Are you sure this is the right choice to do? You're so young, just starting out, playing a mother so early on. But I was like, you know what? I think I'm just going to listen to my gut, and thank God, because it's probably one of my most celebrated films in my filmography. So I'm extremely grateful, and I think this is a lesson that I learned at that time is, people will tell you hundreds of things. There'll be people who will guide you, will suggest you, will advise you, but at the end of the day, it's the choice that you make because you're the one that's going to be living with the choice. And imagine if I would have listened to them, what would have happened? So, yeah. So, I was always afraid of driving. For some reason, and I think I was able to overcome that by shooting for one of my films that I did, because I had to literally take driving lessons to be able to pull that off, and I did some of the simple stunts, but I did it myself, so it was really cool. It was a watch that I gifted myself after my film that last year was released. It was Lucky Bhaskar, so that was a watch.
Butter chicken or Hyderabadi biryani?
Hyderabadi biryani.
Reading a book or watching a movie?
Reading a book.
Medicine or acting?
Acting.
Adventure trip or relaxing vacation?
Depends, but I think I'm more towards the adventure.
Comedy or drama?
Comedy.
Save or spend?
Save. It is quite challenging, to be very honest. A lot of people think it's such an easy job, looking good and just being in front of the camera, but there's so much more that goes behind the scenes, and especially in the age of social media, there's so much that you have to deal with, and I'm so glad that you brought up the topic of mental health because it's so important and extremely neglected. Just because you can't see it does not mean you're not going through it, and that's something that I kind of learned while I was at the job. And I try and do physical activity, I try and eat right, and I try and consume the right things. On social media, it's not bad to use it, but what you consume on social media is something that really plays a very important role. So I think that is something that we all need to be very mindful of.